Hi everyone, welcome. In this walkthrough, I'll explain how to configure and use Google-based automation nodes by first connecting your Google account through the integration hub and then configuring each node step by step. Connecting Google from the integration hub. Before starting the workflow, the first step is to open the integration hub. From here, connect your Google account and grant access to Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Gmail. Once authentication is completed, all Google nodes become available for use inside the workflow. Form node, workflow entry point. The workflow begins with the form node. This node collects all required inputs such as spreadsheet details, document information, email content, event details, file URLs, and meeting codes. Each input is stored as a variable and passed automatically to the connected Google nodes. Google Sheets nodes. After the form submission, the workflow connects to Google Sheets. The Create a New Sheet node is used to create a new spreadsheet or add a sheet to an existing spreadsheet using the provided title. The Read Data from Sheet node retrieves rows and columns from the selected sheet. This allows the workflow to access tabular data for processing. The Sort Data in Sheet node organizes sheet data based on a selected column and sort order, ensuring structured and clean data. Google Docs nodes. Next, the workflow moves to Google Docs. The Create a New Document node generates a document using the title received from the form input. The Update Existing Document node modifies content inside the document body, header, or footer based on the provided text. The Insert Image into Document node embeds an image into the document using a public image URL and selected position. Google Calendar nodes. The workflow then connects to Google Calendar. The Create Event node schedules a new calendar event using the event name and start date time. The Update Event node updates existing event details when changes are required. The List Events node retrieves events from the selected calendar. The Get Event by ID node fetches a specific event using its unique identifier. The Delete Event node removes an event from the calendar when it is no longer needed. Google Drive nodes. Next, the workflow integrates with Google Drive. The Get File by ID node retrieves file details from Drive. The Get Folder by ID node fetches folder metadata. The Create Folder node creates a new folder dynamically based on user input. The Upload File to Drive node uploads a file into the selected folder. For meetings, the Get Meet Recording Links node retrieves recording links using the meeting code. Gmail nodes. Finally, the workflow connects to Gmail. The Search Email node finds emails using keywords. The Create Draft node prepares an email draft. The Send Email node sends an email directly. The Draft Reply node creates a reply for an existing email. The Send Reply to Email node sends the reply after approval. The Delete Email node removes selected emails from the mailbox and automates actions across Sheets, Docs, Calendar, Drive, and Gmail using a consistent structure. Thank you for watching.